white sailboats on the turquoise blue sea, powder-soft white sand, world-class beaches, endless outdoor activities, eclectic shopping and dining choices, all add to the many varied reasons that make St. John one of the most desired vacation destinations in the world. And to make your vacation complete, the comfy confines of your own private villa, complete with glorious sunsets and the twinkling lights of St. Thomas at night, are all part of what makes Hummingbird Hill the perfect choice. Hummingbird Hill is a charming 3-bedroom, 3-bath villa with pool located on Gift Hill, high above Cruz Bay, overlooking Pillsbury Sound, St. Thomas, and beyond. Less than 15 minutes from the main town of Cruz Bay, the villa is set in a lush tropical garden. Stone paths meander among brightly colored and fragrant jasmine, oleander, hibiscus, and bougainvillea, all shaded by lime, mango, and papaya trees. The main house at Hummingbird features a central living, dining room surrounded on 3 sides by walls of glass and screen, a complete kitchen, and 2 bedrooms with full baths to either side. A small sleeping alcove adjacent to the larger bedroom is furnished with a trundle bed. All rooms open onto the covered gallery and deck areas. Uncovered sun decks lined with native stone walls connect the main house to the child-proofed swimming pool with private deck for sunbathing, and to a newly constructed guest house with spacious master bedroom suite, large bathroom, and delightful outdoor tropical shower. Comfortable outdoor dining and lounging furniture abound, providing many private places to relax while you enjoy the magnificent view. Just minutes from the town of Cruz Bay, with all its quaint shopping, restaurants, local hangouts, and of course the famous beaches of St. John, you'll see why Hummingbird Hill is the perfect island retreat for that dream vacation you've always longed for, but now is a reality.